So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make real money by playing Farm Block Escape on Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up in the bottom left side of your screen, press on the games icon and then press on Get Started. It'll then redirect you to this screen right here where you can sort by most popular. You can sort by A to Z. I'm just going to go ahead and sort A to Z in this example. Now we're going to be looking for the game Farm Block Escape, so we're just going to scroll down to where we see the F's right here. We should be pretty close. Yeah, Farm Block Escape. Go ahead and select that. Once that is done, press on Get Now at the top to download the game. Once that is done, basically scroll down and just play the game. And the more levels you reach over time, the more Swagbucks you guys will earn and accumulate. And how you guys can make real money is by cashing in those Swagbucks over time for gift cards. And that's how you guys can earn some real cash, legitimate cash, by playing Farm Block Escape. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.